guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Mal. In case you are new here, thank you so much for coming. Just subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you're my returning subscriber, I really appreciate for you coming here every day to watch my video. So guys, keep on watching. Let's road to 1,000 subscribers. So guys, you can see I'm coming live from the village. Today I want to prepare the most appetizing vegetable in the village. So this is a mixture of mrenda and manag. You can come close and show them. See. So guys, you can see this is mrenda. So mrenda is that vegetable when you eat with ugali, it slides. So come with me, guys. So guys, I need to wash our vegetable. You need to wash your vegetable before you cook. So guys, you're going to wait for 20 minutes, then we'll check if our vegetable is ready. God. Now I want to add salt. So this vegetable, I'm just cooking it traditionally. I'm not going to add here any tomato or cooking oil. Only salt. So guys, now our vegetable is ready. You can see how it looks like. So now I want to cook ugali. This is water. I'm going to wait until it bubbles. Then this is our ugali. So let's wait until our water is bubble, is ready. Then we'll cook ugali. Okay guys, now you can see I'm cooking ugali. So this is our tradition, this is our cooking stick. Yeah, so this is a maize flour. In the village we don't buy flour. Mm. Mm. So guys, finally our ugali is ready. This up. So let me bring our vegetable. It's here. Pause it. So guys, now our food is ready. If your sufuria looks like this, know that your ugali is ready. So now, oh guys, so this vegetable is so delicious. If you're coming from the village, you can try to mix mrenda and managu and you'll see how delicious it is. Okay guys, so let's enjoy our our food. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share, and just keep watching so that YouTube can monitor my channel. It's your girl Amal. I'm proud of being a village girl. Bye.
Bye.